guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Aysh, please subscribe. Today's video is a skincare kind of video. It is all about my top 4 makeup removing products. I feel like maybe I don't talk about these things so much because it's all about the makeup and looking glam, but then you've got the bit afterwards where you've got to take it all off. And you know, it's very important to remove your makeup before you go to sleep and make sure you sleep with a fresh face and you wake up with a fresh face. I just want to talk about my 4 favourite products that I use to remove my makeup. Maybe which ones work better, or you know, just so you can get an insight into what I use and what works for me. So if you want to know my top 4 makeup removing products, then keep on watching. The first thing I want to start with, which I think I've mentioned before on my channel, is coconut oil. It's just a godsend. You can use it for so many things. It's amazing for your skin, it's amazing for cooking, it's amazing for your hair, it's like endless. And it's all natural, so it's good for you. You don't have to worry about any harsh chemicals or anything like that, and it just works. This is amazing for removing long-lasting makeup, so like liquid lipstick or like waterproof makeup, mainly liquid lipstick, because you know some liquid lipsticks are so, just using like a face wash or something like that, you still have some residue left over, especially if it's like a deep red. I find that if I try to remove that, it smudges everywhere, like, and it doesn't fully come off. But when you use coconut oil, any kind of oil products, even like olive oil or anything like that, will help remove like the makeup that you feel like stains. It will help remove it, and it's good for eye makeup. It does get a little bit messy when you use it, but you can apply it on a cotton pad or simply just put a chunk in your hand and literally just like scrub it all over your face, and maybe wipe it off with like a wet flannel or something like that. But that really does work for me, especially for like staining makeup and liquid lipsticks. Perfect. My second product that I really like to use is micellar water. This is Garnier's Skin Active Cleansing Water. I just think it is so good, and it's not harsh on the skin either, and it says it removes makeup, cleanse and soothes, and it's a no rinsing product, so you can use it and not have to worry about rinsing your face afterwards. I kind of still feel like I need to regardless, because you know, it's nothing like rinsing your face. You know, nothing can really be better than doing that. This is really good. So it removes your makeup really well. It's really quite gentle on the skin. So this bottle is 400 mils and you can get 200 uses out of it, and I've used it quite a few times. So what I do is I use a cotton pad, so I just apply like 2 or 3 squeezes of it on the cotton pad. Maybe I'll start with my eyes. I find that when you're using these kind of products where you have to put something onto like a cotton pad or something like that, you do get a lot of waste. That's the only issue. Like with cotton pads, I end up using so many. If I'm wearing like, you know, a lot of eye makeup or lip products, I do get through quite a lot of cotton pads. That's the only problem, the wastage when using these kind of products. But they do work and they're really gentle on the skin, and I really do like this product, especially because it's got no perfume and it literally just feels like water on your skin. And it also does work for liquid lipsticks as well, but it just needs a bit more of an extra scrub because it is like a water-based product rather than oil. This is also a product I like to use in my kit for my clients for cleansing their skin, especially for people that, it's quite like a multi-purpose for people that are quite sensitive as well. It works for them, and also it's a non-oil product, so if I have any clients with contact lenses or anything like that, I don't have to worry, because oil products are a no-no on the eyes if you have contact lenses in. This just works perfectly for cleansing the skin. And even if you make any little mistakes when doing your makeup, this is really good to use to correct. So you can literally just put a little bit on a cotton bud and just kind of correct what you've done, and it works really well. My third product that I enjoy using, these are the Simple Sensitive Skin Experts Water Boost Cleansing Wipes. It's an instant boost of hydration for your skin. It's got micellar technology, so kind of like this, and it removes makeup as well. These are great when you're on the go, if you're traveling, or if you're, you know, not home for a few days, or if you're like flying or on a long coach trip and you just want to remove your makeup and just relax, and you just sit there thinking, I wish I can just rinse my face. This is perfect. And I find myself face wipes tend to not irritate my skin, but burn my skin slightly. And because I wear quite a lot of eye makeup, I do need a good kind of scrub, and then when I'm done, my skin feels so sore and feels like it stings. But because I've been using Simple, it's a little bit more gentle on the skin and it does remove makeup efficiently. I've worked out I use maybe 2 wipes from this pack to fully remove my makeup. That's enough for me. And you get 25 wipes in this pack. This is also good for a makeup kit because it's simple as well. Works for a lot of people. This is probably my favourite thing to use if I'm on the go. Last but not least, this is probably my favourite type of makeup removing product. It's face wash. This one specifically is the Clean and Clear Blackhead Clearing Daily Scrub. I usually use the exfoliating daily wash of Clean and Clear. I'll attach a photo here. That one is my #1. It removes all my makeup, it cleanses my skin, so I don't have to use any products. Literally, I'll use my face wash, so I'll be doing everything in one go rather than having to like cleanse and then do this. Literally cleansing it all, and it removes my liquid lipstick, and it removes every inch of my makeup, and I've hardly any left over. But I bought this one to try it because when I went into Superdrug to get my favourite one, they didn't have any at the time. So I thought, let me try the Blackhead Clearing Daily Scrub. This one is kind of pasty, so it's white and it's got the little beads in it, like my favourite one. My favourite one is clear and it's got the exfoliating beads. This one, unfortunately, no matter how much I scrub my face with it, doesn't really remove my makeup very well. I still look up at the mirror and I've got like black smudges and I'm like, how have I still got that? I literally scrubbed my eyes so much and it didn't remove it, but my other favourite one does. But I thought I'll include this anyway because it really helps me with cleansing my skin and getting rid of my makeup, so I go to bed feeling fresh faced, and then when I wake up and use it, I'm feeling fresh faced. Out of my 4 for makeup removal, I will say that Clean and Clear's exfoliating wash or any of like their face washes is the best for me removing my makeup, because I feel like my skin is cleaned well, so it feels clean and fresh and my makeup's gone. So there's nothing better than being able to scrub your face and just rinse it and have all that makeup gone. Also, this Clean and Clear product is oil free, so it is good for oily skin. My skin, I'd say, is normal to combination, so all around here my skin is normal, but I get quite oily around my nose. I'd say like literally like my T-zone, but mostly the edges of my nose gets quite oily, so that works for me. But I always need to moisturize after I've used a face wash because it gives you that tight kind of feeling. Your skin's like, oh, like you feel like you need to moisturize it, so that's always part of my routine after using this. I think after using any makeup removing things, I will always moisturize afterwards because my skin does feel quite dry, especially in the winter time. So if you do have dry skin, using an oil-free product probably may not benefit you that well, but you can just moisturize straight after using it, or use like a serum or oil for your skin and it will work just fine. Those are my top 4 makeup removing products. I really wanted to do this video because I think it's quite informative and it's some things that are really good to know, because I think cleansing your skin and having clean and healthy skin is so important. That is kind of like the root of and foundation of having good makeup and flawless looking makeup. The same way you've got like a canvas. Before you paint on that canvas, you want it to be like perfect and clear and nice, and then the work you put on that canvas looks even better. You know what I mean. Just trying to compare it, but no, it is important. Look after your skin. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.